We would like to determine the domain and range of this curve, so we begin at this point here. It's got an open circle, so that point is actually not on the curve, but it's still on a convenient point to begin with. It has the coordinates 3, -1. Well, we see that with respect to the domain, this point would correspond to an x value of -3. We put an open circle there because obviously there is no point on that curve which has an x value of 3. From there we see our curve proceeds to the left infinitely long, so we're going to do the same thing on our x-axis. We're then going to look at our range. Our y-axis will have an open circle around the y value of -1, because we're only interested in the second number in each ordered pair. And then we're going to, as we follow along this curve, look at the relevant y values, and we see that they will extend down forever. This is a curve, as indicated by that arrow, that will get infinitely small, or in other words, large magnitude negative numbers for the y values. So anyways, we have these two blue regions to consider. So our domain, it looks to me like it will be x less than 3. We look at our domain here, we have x element of the real such that x is less than 3, or alternatively x such that x is less than 3 and x is an element of the reals. For our range, we see that y has to be less than -1. So our range is the set of all y's that are elements of the real such that y is less than -1, or alternatively the set of all y's such that y is less than -1 and y is an element of the real number system.